You know the Baltimore streets took a ball to me. Standing on business, I'm moving with two soldiers. The pain is like dirt, but I carry it like bulldozers. Police hit the door and I chose to stay silent. Cody's in the next room, folding like a wallet. 10 toes down, I stand on principle. Head one in charge, yeah, the principal.
Blizz, Flat.
Everybody's here, but it kills me. Boy, I keep it right like a fish and I'm talking real. Take a knee. If you wanna show me something, then you better keep it G, gang.
To appreciate it.
Well, introduce yourself, man.
Lloyd Banks, Flatline, Forreal, Bmore, Blizz.
Chapo FC. I'm from Harlem. You feel me? We coming out here to fuck with y'all in Baltimore today. Making my way uptown and making my way to the block. Nigga be trapping in Julian, so that's good. If you see me downtown, they probably see me in the spot. How they do it just fine. Ain't no real nigga go tell me about that you pay. Only thing that I wanna pay that nigga. If you ain't wasting your time, you better just stay there, grind. 24 hours in the day, it's about way up and ain't gonna be Chapo FC, most streaming platforms under Chapo FC. Your mama be crying. While running SFG.
Now the board is sick. Some people are visual. I'm at the top of the bill. I'm the band and building. Just up. Nigga, trust where I'm from. This nigga's down in Reed. Where you leave is the slogan in the city that reads.
Let me do my thing. Let me do my thing. Hard work and effort in it. And because we appreciate y'all out there. Talk some right now, man. Hold on. Not just man the street. We come down going with the flow. We fly out like a waving loose. Beat choppers like a secret. That's all we carrying. Waving and there's no angle. The same energy. Dead things happen. Disrespecting me and one of my.
Chrome and black, I'm that, remember that. Moving caution, I'm that boss. Man, to take them off.
Coming to the stage next, a dope artist, man. Y'all make some noise for Blizz!
Yeah, what it is. How y'all feeling out there? It's Bmore, Blizz, Flatline, Forreal. Shout out to all the dope artists tonight. Let's get to this. Chip. Talking money and bitches, I'm talking real. They be talking choppers and switches, but they don't kill. Got some hoppers and trenches that love the drill. I'm gon' pull up on a mission and hit the kill. We trap all day, I never clock out. Brody pull up with the drum, then he rock out. He was trying to pull with his tongue and I pulled a block out. Hit his chest, got in his lung and took his top out. But he pop this shit like it's fun, I bet it's not now. I ain't gon' pull up, get it done, I bet he stop now. Working with that flame in my hands, you think I'm soldering. Hanging up in my hand, you think I'm powering. Oh Lord, I turned a single to a triple. Yeah, Blizz, flat. Oh Lord, I turned a single to a triple. Same dirty mother. Used to sign the nipples, made a lot out of a little. To me, this shit was simple. No stepping on the product, I'ma always drop a missile. Hey, we got one more, y'all. Look.
Hey, yo, don't wake up bad.
Ain't in the game if you ain't took a loss. I cut off some sleepers, I'm still with the boss. I know you heard me, man, you better learn me. I'm cutting out like it's surgery. I heard you ran this surgery, they never alert me. Pull up in the morning and I ain't there early for sure. She hit her knees and she serving you off of that drum, so you ain't got no worries. As I kick through the night, ain't gotta fight any losing his life. I ain't gon' play, I'ma blast with the pipe. And y'all wanna see what a savage is like. Ain't in the game if you ain't took a loss. I cut off some sleepers, I'm still with the boss. If you approach me with caution. Know they be hating, but just make them nauseous. Yeah. Bmore hip-hop, guys. Hey, I go by the name of Flatline Forreal. This is Bmore, Blizz. Thank y'all, y'all.
Had to heat up a real. Had to heat up a money on money on money on money on money.
How y'all feel about the show, man?
Show went great, man. You know?
I think this show was alright. I
Bmore Blizz brought me through, bro. I appreciate him bringing me through. It's my first show out here in Baltimore in like 9 years, you know. This man been performing here for a long time. This is my big brother. He's a legend out here. And I can't thank him enough for bringing me through here, brother. I appreciate it. Already. So, 9 years, my first show in Baltimore. Bmore Blizz. Appreciate it. You already know. Hey, and we got a lot of new coming. We got This Different about to drop soon. We got Kill Switch coming. We got a lot of new videos and songs coming.
I just want to say one thing. I don't care where you've been at in life, what you've been through in life. Just know that if you stick to what you're doing, man, and keep pushing through, tomorrow gets better and you can accomplish anything. Don't ever let nobody tell you you can't.
And don't let nobody limit you. Don't let nobody limit you from their words or opinions. That's fact.
For real.
We got a lot more coming for y'all.
They made me, they broke